In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with ClickUp. We'll walk through creating a new task from a list view, adding a tag, giving it a clear name, and then opening it to review. I'll keep it simple and practical so you can follow along confidently. First, open your ClickUp workspace and head to the list that contains all tasks in your chosen space or folder. Make sure you're inside the correct location so your task lands in the right place. If your view isn't already set to list, switch it now by selecting the list view at the top. This gives you the familiar row-based layout where it's easy to see tasks and details at a glance. Next, look for the Create button. It's usually near the top right of the screen. Click Create, then choose Task from the options that appear. This opens a new task window where you'll set the basics before saving. Before naming the task, click on Tags. Tags are lightweight labels that help you filter and group work across lists and projects. In the Tag field, type the tag you want to use. If the tag already exists, you'll see it appear. If it's new and your workspace allows it, you can create it on the fly. Press Enter on your keyboard to confirm and attach the tag. Pressing Enter is what actually adds the tag to the task, so don't skip this part. Now type in the name of the task. Keep it short, specific, and action-oriented so it's easy to recognize later. For example, use a clear verb and the key outcome. Good naming makes search and reporting much more effective. When you're ready, click Create Task. This saves the task into the list you're currently viewing. If you don't see it right away, make sure your filters aren't hiding newly created items and that you're still in the correct list view. Finally, click Open to view the full task. Opening the task expands it into a detailed view, where you can see everything attached and confirm the tag and title are correct. From here, you can continue working whenever you're ready. But for now, you've completed the essential flow. Navigate to your list. Ensure you're in List View. Create a task, add a tag, and confirm it with Enter. Give the task a clear name, save it, and open it. That's it. Follow these steps each time you need to quickly capture work in ClickUp, and your tasks will stay organized and easy to find. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to practice the flow.